Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Manchester. In one place I'm calling Banana Ground. This is where Elaine Thompson came from. So I'm gonna give you a tour. You're gonna see a nice view going down into Bellefield area. So take a tour with Fire Reid. So if you make a left turn, that will take you all to Elaine Thompson close. That's where she come from. So I'm gonna make a right turn. It will take you all down to Bellfield side. So keep on watching, guys. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon and press all. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. And always remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot for the support. So if you want to know a lot about Jamaica, where to go, when to go, just tune into Fire Reid channel and also share it for me, please, so other persons can get to see what's taking place in Jamaica. So keep on watching, guys. Enjoy the ride with True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So catch the nice beauty going down from Banana Ground to Bellfield. Also to can go to the Williamsfield area also too. Yeah, man, so when I drive them place, I have to be careful up on the hand too. Yeah, man, so I have to know how to navigate through certain areas. Take your time and blow the horn. Yeah, because a lot of curves, you know. And a lot of different types of driver up on the road same way too. Not everybody drive the same way with people. Mostly, you know, Jamaican people, them always in a haste. A lot of persons really obey the road code when they come out to certain things in Jamaica. So we have to just be careful when we drive on the road. As you can see the terrain up in Banana Ground area. Look at the view. That view straight ahead, straight over into, I think it's Windalco area. Straight over that side. Nice view. So it's also a very sunny day. Very nice and sunny day. But no matter how sometimes up here hot, trust me, you feel a different type of coolness. You might see them curvy or them corner. Don't know what you all call it in your country. Yeah, man, you have to take the time and go around them. Yeah, man, nice view going down the paper. Yeah, man, just like up the video. Want to get 1,000 likes today. Just like it up, man, like it up. Take the time out to show no Jamaica. Just appreciate it. Yes, my people, so you can see the view. Very nice view. Yeah, man, so big up everyone in Manchester, yeah, and abroad. Big up everyone who's watching right now. Big up on yourself. Tune into the channel, you know. Where I'm at, seeing a nice view of Windalco also. Many different areas, nice bird's eye view. Yeah, man, so you don't really have to have a drone up here so you see what take place down by the bottom there. Yeah, man, so it's a nice view of my paper. We enjoy the sweet country, Jamaica. Nice can down, it's a beautiful island, natural beauty. A lot of persons leave from other countries, come to Jamaica for their vacation. But we live in Jamaica, so let's enjoy our Jamaica also too. So yes, the people, one love and one heart, upward and onward, and always remember, each one help one. I think my journey will be today. I think I will take you all to the Bellfield area. Yeah, man, I'm taking a Bellfield. So you know, when you leave from Bellefield side, you can go to Williamsfield. Depends from where you're going. You can go to Poro side. Winston Jones Highway back to Mandeville town. Yeah, man, so one of that banana ground, higher heights, you know? Yes, people, higher heights. Up on the heights and view of many different places down on the flats in the Mandeville area. So the direction I'm going to right now, I'm driving in the north direction. Bellefield division ahead. Yeah, man, so I go to Belfield side, you know. So I'm in a school zone, so I have to be very careful, look out for the kids. Yeah, man, I have to look out for the kids, them, you know. Look out for our beautiful kids, our children of tomorrow. Don't know if they're gonna be the Prime Minister. So it's a very nice scenery. So just want to say, big up yourself again, Elaine Thompson, fastest runner in the world. Yeah, man, as you know, big up yourself, girl, and big up everyone on the Olympic team. Big up everyone, you know. Always remember in life, the teamwork make the dream work.
west on Banana Ground Road.
So the direction I'm traveling now, it's west. So yes, some people, so you all can leave in the comment section where would you like Fire Reid to go. Yeah, True Jamaican tour guide. So yeah man, Bellefield area, Bellfield, Manchester. Left turn here, come up right now. Yeah man, I said that'll be Long Hill Road.
Take the next left onto Long Hill Road.
So big up all of the Jamaican them, you know. So Jamaica nice to people. Our sweet Jamaica, nice can done. Man, so we're in a Bellefield Square now.
Continue on Long Hill Road for 1.5 kilometers.
So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.